Good morning everyone, my name is Xin Chan. So today I'm here to do a presentation in auto reinforcement in 3D printing. Before I start my presentation, I'm quite sure most of you already heard of 3D printing before. It could be from online internet, it could be from newspaper, from your friends, or even from your lecturers. But what is auto reinforcement? Let's find out more in the next few slides. In this presentation, I'm going to cover background information, research gap, possible solutions and benefits, as well as conclusion. So, let's start. What's 3D printing? 3D printing is also known as additive manufacturing, AM. It's an automated process that will create certain objects layer by layer. It can be in any shape, any geometry, as long as you have the digital model data, which is also known as additive manufacturing file, AMF. Back in 1980s, when 3D printing just came out, it was claimed to be lacking in business perspective, in the sense that not everyone liked this idea of 3D printing. It's not very well received in the market. However, due to advancement of technology, there was this explosive growth in the 3D printing industry in 2020. It's about $3.07 billion and is forecast to hit $7 billion in 2020. 3D printing is becoming one of the most popular research topics nowadays. 3D printing technology is also used in many other areas such as medical, dental, architecture, fashion, or even constructions. So, in this presentation, I will focus more in architecture and construction. As you can see from the screen, there is this total 3D printed house built in Beijing in just 45 days. So imagine in the future, you can complete any complicated construction process by just pressing one button. Isn't that amazing for you? However, there are some possible limitations for this 3D printing technology to be applied in construction area. There are durability and strength of the materials. As we all know that 3D printing device can only produce singly form of material. They are less durable and weaker as compared to reinforced material. From the left side of the screen, you can see a plain concrete is very good in compression strength as well as durability, but it's very weak in tensile strength, while steel is good in both compression strength and tensile strength, but it's very weak in fire resistance. So, during the construction process, if we only use any one of them alone, it will result in loading failure easily. Hence, we need reinforced material. How to produce reinforced material in 3D printing? One of the possible solutions could be multiple line printing. It's to carry out complicated reinforced 3D printing in the same machine. So this 3D printing device is able to print different types of material at the same time. For example, steel printing and cement printing will be carried out together. So we can achieve similar material as reinforced material after 3D printing. Is to achieve a higher durability and strength as compared to singly form of material. With such enhancement of 3D printing device, we can achieve long-term cost reduction, improve efficiency, and also eliminate any possible workplace injury in the future. With that, I will end my presentation over here. Thank you.